Hello everyone. I'll be walking you through the price action analysis of October 7th. Uh, this is Bank Nifty chart, 1 minute time frame candlestick chart. I'll be taking you bar by bar what happened and a simple price action analysis that can be used to make money using uh, the analysis in the first 30 minutes of the day. Okay, that's it. That is where the price is really moving fast. It's volatile, and you can stand a chance to get good moves. Okay, and so with that said, yesterday the price went up for most of the time, and then it started coming down, and then it went up. Okay, what happened today is what we will focus on, although there might be some cues that you can draw, but most of the times I'm focused on what is happening today. Okay, so you can see that it opened below the EMA, gap down, and started going down right from the word go, and it basically is a bear bar close near its middle point. Now this is basically a possible short trade at the close of this bar, and with this red dark line being the yesterday's low, which is a possible support. So enough room for us to make at least 30 points target that we always want from any trade, right? But that did not happen. What happened is that bar 2 bulls who were basically provided support during this tail that has formed in bar 1, they pushed the prices up. Of course, they couldn't take it past bar 1's high, right? And then what do you see? The moment I see an inside bar 2, what I start thinking about is a trade, which is bar 3 going past bar 2, and then I'm getting the entry on the other side of bar 2. In this case, it's a gap down bear bar, so I'm looking to short below bar 2. I want the bar 2 to be as weak as possible. That helps my story to basically go with bar 1's trend, whatever this bar has established, right, which is bearish in this case. Bar 3 goes up but fails to get past bar 1's high, so that basically strengthens my case of shorting below bar 2. These are the trap bulls possibly, and I want to basically bet on that. So you go short below bar 2, which is 17604. So you could go at 17603.75, and then bar 4 is where your entry triggers, and you can see that immediately this bar sprung into action. You entered 17604, your stop will be 1760614, 10 points stop, and 30 points your is your first target, right? So it's 604, so it's going to be 574 will be your 30 points target, which was this bar went down to 566 low, right? So you got your first target of 30 points. This bar managed to close below bar 1's low, which was a possible support because that is where the bulls came into picture, right? And it closed below it, which is nice. So let's hold on to the on to the remaining ones, the part position for more profits. Okay, what happens is basically it doesn't get a follow through. Instead, it's an inside bar, a pause, price try to go up, couldn't do much, right? So you get a bear close here. Okay, so let's see if it closes continues to move on further. Okay, but having said that, you can see this is the first push down, this is the second push down, because the price went up and came back down again. So, and then this is another attempt to go up. Now whatever attempt is being made by the price is going to be the third push, right? So I don't want to be holding too much with this kind of a price action, because I always like to get out a third push because there is a chance of a bigger pullback, right? And plus it is now getting closer to the yesterday's low, which is a possible support. So with that being said, you can see that that's exactly what happened. You see a bar, doji bar, when bulls provided support again, and this closed with a tail at the bottom, and that's where the price ended up with, right? So you got in at 17,604 around that price, and the price went down till 17,557, right? So that's around 42 plus 4, so 46 points approximately, if you could manage to get all of that. But I don't think I could have managed to do get that. What basically happened here is basically you got 30 points on your first position, or the part position, and the remaining one around this area, which is around 40 points. Okay, because I knew this is a third push, so possible chance of getting a reversal, and pullback could be two-legged, and it might reverse the trend. I did not want to get into that situation, right? And exactly that's what happened here. You can see that price started pulling back up. Bulls bought the close of this bar immediately. They did not let the prices go down any further. Now decent close, okay, and then again a small gap up between close of this bar and open of this bar. So bulls getting momentum, they are able to hold the ground. Then again a follow through 3 bars in a row, that's a good thing. Gap up one more time. What you see is small bar. Where are the bears here in this rally? They covered all the range that this bar managed to create, was all gone. So that means bulls have reversed the trend for uh, the opening range. Okay, so with that being said, I can clearly see that this is now turning into a bullish trend, and with this bar, I see a possibility of a pullback, and that's exactly what you see here. A bar opened below this close, but it broke just a few ticks or points below and started going up. So that's a trap. Whoever tried to short here, possibly assuming that this is going to be a resistance or the sellers coming back, and they were not enough strong to keep the bulls from pushing the prices high up. So this is basically high is 17,620. So you go along about that price. I know this is a resistance, but this is not a trading range bar. Okay, with this context, with three pushes, you want this leg's extension to be a second leg at least, right? So you want to bet on that, and that's exactly what you get into 17,620 long. This bar goes up to 17,648.8, so just few points away from our target price of 30 points, which is 17,650, and that was made in this bar. Okay, this bar is a strong bear bar, close at its low, did reach to EMA, which is a possible resistance, and so you get out over here with the remaining position, 30 points part position booked, or you, if you feel this is just a first leg, there will be a second leg, you can continue holding the remaining position. It's up to you. Okay, but at least based on the price action that happened today, you could manage 30 points and 40 points. So average 30 points is what I would consider here from the short trade, first one. And second one, this 30 points, and then this gave reached to 17,659.6. So around 40 points approximately. So again 30 points here for a conservative trader. So 30 plus 30, 60 points is what you could gather from two trades in the first. This basically starts at 9:15, and by 9:30, or not 9:30, even before that, in 10 minutes or so, you lock down 60 points. And if you held the part position here, it could basically be held till this level beyond a moving average, which went till 17,710, which is basically almost 90 points from your entry level, right? So it's up to you how long you want to hold, and that's it. That's it for today. I hope it helped.